Alright, lesson on Tuesday, October 30th is page 243 and page 244. You're going to look at partial sums. You're going to look at drawing pictures with regrouping and then just some regular regrouping with numbers. So there's only a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 problems, but got some practice problems to kind of give you a clue as to what you need to do. First thing first, get your pencil out, put your name on it, so I can tell whose it is. So you can use partial sums to find the sum of 46 plus 37. So the first thing is to find the tens. When we're regrouping, we're normally just going to the ones column and adding down the column. Partial sums, you're taking the tens out. Well, I have 4 tens, 40, 3 tens, 30. But this doesn't say 40 and 30 in the blue over here. It just means that 4 tens is 40 and 3 tens is 30. And I'm writing those two numbers here. So if I have my tens over here, similar to here, it's not going to be 40 and 30. What is it going to be? Go ahead and write those tens on this line. 3 tens, 30, 5 tens, 50. Well, now I got 30 plus 50. Now, if you have 100, you're great. Add it together. Or if you know 0 and 0 is 0, and 5 and 3, I know 0 and 0 is 0, and 5 and 3 is 8. It makes 80. Or start at 50 and go 60, 70, 80. 3 more. Got 3 more on by tens. Second step of this is look at the ones, 7 and 6. This is when you need to know your addition facts. 7 and 6. Well, 6 plus 7, 7 plus 6. What do they add together? Here it's 3 and 7. 3 plus 7 equals. Go and write the sum right here. 10. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 1 is 9. You are not adding this up here. Just adding this together. The two partial sums to get this total sum. So I have tens, I have ones, I have a total sum of 90. Same down here, except we're not doing the steps across. It's just taking the partial sums out. Just a different way to do partial sums. You can see over here I have 2 tens and 6 tens. 2 and 6 is 80. 8 tens, 80. So I'm taking these two numbers here, blue, and I know that these are tens across. 4 and 1. Now if you know 4 plus 1 more, which all of you do, you know that it's 5. But we can't just write 5 here. We have to write 5 tens, which is 50. Now we're going to look at the ones in red. The ones in red are going to go right across this way. 5 plus 4. 5 plus 4. Now, if you write a 9 here on 5 plus 4, it's wrong. Because this is ones. This is not tens. It's got to go in the ones column. So now I have 50 plus 9. 59. Same thing. Partial sums, you're starting with the tens. You're not starting with the ones. That partial sum's a little tricky. Got to start with the tens. 7 and 1 tens. 7 plus 1 more is, and once you figure out that number, you have to make it a 10, not just 8. So it's 8 tens, which is 80. Doubling facts. Now we're going to go to the ones. 7 plus 7. You should know it. Like this. 7 plus 7 is 14. Now you're just going to add these tens, add the ones, add the tens, add the ones, add the partial sums. 80 plus 14, 0 plus 4 is 4, 8 plus 1 is 9, 84. It says you can regroup to find a sum. Find 28 plus 34. So you're just going to start off and you're going to draw the 28 and the 34. So I have 2 tens and 3 tens. 2 and 3. And then 8 and 4. 8 and 4 over here. 12. So how I'm going to draw this over here, I have 3 tens and 4 tens. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's my 3 and 4 tens. Check off my fixture there. Now I got to do 8 ones and 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Got my ones checked off. Now I have to look to see if regrouping is needed. How do I check if regrouping is needed? I have to look at the ones. If I have 10 or more ones, I have to regroup them into a 10 and leave what's remaining. Let's count how many we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's circle the 10. That's all of them. 8 plus 2 is 10. I'm going to move them over with an arrow and draw another 10. So my answer is going to be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. My answer is 80. Let's double check it. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10, the ones digit, goes down. I regroup the 10. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 80. There's your check. You're circling the picture and then moving the 10 over. There might have been some leftover ones over here. This problem did not have any. If it had been 13, there would have been 3 ones left over that I could have kept down here. Down here it says line up the 10s and 1s to add. 45 plus 29. It's just regrouping. 5 plus 9 is 14. 4. Regroup the 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. Plus 1 more is 7. You can see this over here. You're just going to do 2 old-fashioned regrouping. The key to this is to line them up. If you don't line them up, 67, 26, you're going to have issues. I'll start with this 38, 25. This is when math facts are crucial. Start with the 1s. Now like partial sums, starting with the 10. 7 plus 6, what is it? 13. 3 ones, 110. 6 plus 1 is 7, plus 2 more is 9. 93. Last one. 8 plus 5. Write your ones down, regroup your 10, add them together, turn it into the purple tub.